Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the missing tag circuit files in your Assetto Corsa installation. Open steamapp/common/Assetto Corsa/content/tracks and look for the tag circuit folder. If the folder is absent, make a backup of your custom content and mods now. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, compare file names to a working track. Look for KN5 model, AI line, and skin folders. Make sure file permissions allow read access and that Steam Workshop items are fully downloaded before moving to restore steps. Next, restore the track by re-downloading the tag circuit from Steam Workshop or a trusted mod archive. Choose the latest stable upload. Extract the package directly into content/tracks, preserving the exact folder structure. Misplaced files cause engine errors. If the KN5 model seems corrupted, open it in KN5 Viewer to confirm, replace, or re-export the model from the mod source. Once done, verify AI folder and INI data are present, and ensure file names match the in-game track list. Finally, finalize the setup by clearing Assetto Corsa cache and launching the game to verify tag circuit appears in the track list. Use the Content Manager or in-game browser. If it still fails, disable other mods that might conflict, because duplicate track ID or folder names can hide assets. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect AC. Log in appdata/local/Assetto Corsa for error messages, search for missing file paths and permission errors. Then fix those paths or file ownership and relaunch. This usually resolves the last issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.